Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 3rd to 7th August 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday, we saw 0.06% negative move. 1.15212 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's go straight to a chart and let's see what happened during a weekly momentum. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small to medium lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 2517 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here this is a 1-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here 1.15212 is the closing. The direct support is 1.15083. Direct resistance is 1.15455. So after direct support, there is a support of 1.14805 and then 1.14517. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.15706 and then 1.15956. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, just wanted to inform you that I have already shared an Instagram post where I am giving three $5,000 challenge account from Blueberry Funded. So if you are interested or if you want to participate in this giveaway, then you can go to my Instagram account and you can participate. It's a very easy process. Or if you feel that you did not understand any process, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I'll help you how you can participate. You have enough time to participate. I will be sharing the giveaway winners live on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in this giveaway, then check out our Instagram post. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD. So here after direct support, there is a support of 1.14805 and I'm expecting a negative move if we saw a closing below this level, that is 1.15083. If we saw 4-hour 1-day candle closing below this, then we will be able to see a closing in negative move. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative in this range. Even we'll see a move till this level as well. But if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.15455 gets breached with a 4 or a 1-day candle closing. Then you can go for a long till this level and you can trade accordingly. If you're a positional trader, you can trade accordingly. But if you're a intraday trader, always go for a 1 hour or a 4-hour candle and analyze the direct support and direct resistance and then take a trade around in 15-minute time frame. So also, if you don't have enough capital to trade in forex market, I've already shared links of prop firms in the description where you will also, I have shared coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested in that, you can directly use the link and use that code as well. But if you think these prop firms is a very strict rule, then you can also open your own broker account. I've already given link in the description of GTC FX, which is a reliable broker. If you face any issue with deposit or withdrawal, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you with any issue that you face while doing so. So now, overall, my expectation is a bit negative. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.